how to use turn. Turn is a versatile word in English with many meanings. It can refer to physical movement, changing direction, transformation, and more. Here are 15 primary meanings of turn. 1. Rotate or spin around. She turned the key in the lock. The earth turns on its axis. He turned the bottle cap to open it. 2. Change direction. Turn left at the corner. The car turned into the driveway. The owl turned its head to see behind. 3. Become or transform into. The leaves turn red in the fall. The milk will turn sour if not refrigerated. Her expression turned to surprise. 4. Reposition an object. Turn the chair towards the table. Can you turn the vase so I can see the front? He turned the painting to face the light. 5. Start operating a device. Turn on the light, please. She turned off the TV. He turned up the volume of the radio. 6. Take a specific path or route. Turn onto Main Street. We turned down a narrow alley. They turned into the parking lot. 7. Change state or condition. The weather turned warmer. The discussion turned heated. Her mood quickly turned gloomy. 8. To perform or do in turn. It's your turn to play the game. We take turns washing the dishes. He waited patiently for his turn to speak. 9. Alter or change something. She turned the proposal into a success. He turned his hobby into a business. They turned the empty lot into a garden. 10. Fold or bend. Turn the edge of the fabric over. He turned the corner of the page. She turned down the bedspread. 11. Rebel or revolt. The citizens turned against the unjust law. The soldiers turned on their commander. The colony turned toward revolution. 12. Direct attention or effort. Turn your focus to the next chapter. She turned her energies to charity work. He turned his mind to solving the problem. 13. To shape on a lathe. 14. The carpenter turned a beautiful wooden bowl. He turned the legs for the table. She learned how to turn cups on the lathe. 15. Depend on or hinge upon. The decision turns on a single fact. 15. The game turned on a crucial mistake. Success turns on careful planning. 16. To reach a specific age or time. She turns 30 next month. The building turned 100 years old. He just turned 18 and can vote now.